issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elkhorn, moving at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated from the Rocky Side hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location in EAS includes a severe thunderstorm was located near Elkhorn, East Troy, Williams Bay, Como, Potter Lake, Hale Lake, Springfield, Love Range, Abel's Corners, Gibbet, Millard, Troy Center, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near a lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water or outdoors in a thunderstorm.